Hi, sixth grade. I'm coming to you from the classroom in my house where I teach the Chinese children for VIP Kids School. So you guys are kind of lucky and get an insider look at what it's like in my house when I teach from here. So I wanted to give you kind of an overview before we start our actual lessons together. And the big thing that I want to tell you guys is this is new material, and I know I'm not there with you, so I don't want you to panic if you don't understand what the lesson is about or you're not sure what to do. If you get stuck, please, please, please send me an email, give me a call. If I don't answer, leave a message and I'll call you back. But this is just something to kind of get your brain going, to be thinking about new things, learning new things, but I don't want anybody panicking about their homework grades. I'm going to pick problems that are pretty straightforward, and then like I said, if you're stuck, let me know and I will help you. So just kind of have that in mind. Our Imagine Math is going to be the same as we've always done it. You are going to have to do 3 lessons during the week. The first 3 that you need to attempt, and then you need to pass 2 of them. That's due by this coming Sunday at 10 p.m. So you've got today and you've got through Sunday to be working on those things, and then for next week you need to do 3 more and pass 2 of those also. If you can't remember what your login information is, send me an email. I can look it up for you and help you out with that. So we've got basically 2 things going on. You've got your Imagine Math, and then you've got your big ideas. In your homework email that is posted in Google Classroom, and I sent the same thing to your parents, there are video links for each lesson. Please look for a video from me that will kind of give you an overview. I'll give that each day, and then watch those videos before you try the homework. Do not try to just jump right into the homework right away without having watched the videos, okay? It's important that you watch them. They're going to help explain kind of what the lesson is all about. So watch all the videos, then try the homework. The assignments will not be due at the end of every day. They will be due on Sundays as well. So again, this first lesson on stem and leaf plots is going to be due Sunday at 10 p.m. So you have some time if you don't have time to do it, right away today. Next week's lessons, there's 4 lessons. I will post a video intro of me each day, but they are not due until the following Sunday when we're supposed to be getting ready to go back to school. So we're just going to kind of do it that way because I know your guys' family schedules are all different and that sort of a thing. So I recommend doing 1 lesson a day, but if somehow you run out of time and you need to do 2 in one day before or after, then you kind of have some flexibility and you can do it that way. So that being said, I wanted to give you a little bit of an overview for what we're going to start with. Before we start with our lesson, I have a joke of the day for you. So, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun, here we go. Joke of the day. Who is the king of the classroom? The ruler. You guys, great one. I know you're laughing really hard. Get it? The ruler, king of the classroom. Good one. Yes, I know. I know you're laughing. Okay, so today's topic is stem and leaf plots. And what I want you to be thinking about when you watch these videos and as you're doing your homework is basically the essential question of how can I use place value in order to order data graphically. So this is just another way that I can show data. We've talked about mean, median, and mode. Now we're going to talk about another way to graph it, which is stem and leaf plots. So I want to show you real quick what a stem and leaf plot looks like, just so that you have an idea of what you're going to be seeing in your video. But basically what a stem and leaf plot is you're given a group of numbers. So let's say I'm given 15, 23, 14, 18, and 21. Okay? What a stem and leaf plot is it kind of looks like a T-chart, and your stems go on the left, and your leaves go on the right. Okay? Now, your leaves are only going to have 1 digit in them, and it's always the last digit. Okay, so there's always going to be just one number over here, and it's always the last one. So when I have my data, here's how I'm going to do this. If you look at our numbers, you'll see I've got a group of numbers that start with ones, and I have a group of numbers that start with twos. So basically what I would do is I would make my stems, and I would say like 1, 2, and I could even put 3 if I wanted to, that's fine. And I'm going to put them in order. So my smallest number is 14. So I've already got the 1 of my 14, so now I'll put a 4, because 1 and 4 is 14. My next number is 15. Well, I've already got this 1, so now I'm going to put a 5 next to it, because 1 and 5 is 15. 18, I've already got my 1, so I put my 8, because 1 and 8 is 18. Then I've got 21. Well, here's my 2, so I'm going to put the 1, because 2 and 1 is 21. And then I have a 3, because 2 and 3 is 23. Now, I don't have any numbers in the 30s, so I'm not going to put anything over there. Let's pretend I had another number of like 46. Maybe that was another bonus number that I had. I'm going to leave the 3 because I have to count in order. 1, 2, 3. So now I would put 4. And I've got 46, so I would put my 6 right here. And I leave this blank. Don't put a 0 here, because otherwise that would mean that you had 30. So the videos that you watch are going to kind of give you more detail. I hope this has kind of given you a good intro and a good overview. Like I said, let me know if you have any questions, and I will send you another video on Monday with that lesson. So have a good day. Hope you're doing well. Bye.